In this lecture, we shall learn how to set up our Mac OS for programming in C language. The default compiler in Mac OS is CLang, but in this course, we are using the GCC compiler. So our first job is to install the GCC compiler. Open your Spotlight search and type terminal. It opens the terminal for Mac OS. Here, we will write a command to install GCC. We shall use the very popular Homebrew package manager for installing our compiler. Open your web browser first and type brew.sh in the address bar. Copy this command in your clipboard. Now, open your terminal and paste this command. Hit enter. It shall download many packages which we may later install as and when required. Once this is done, type brew space install space GCC to install the GCC compiler in your Mac system. That's all. We are now done with installing the GCC compiler. Now let us go to the directory where the GCC executable is available. For that, type following command in your terminal: cd space /usr/local/bin. The GCC compiler is available inside the bin folder. To view all the files in this directory, type ls. We see that GCC 11 is installed in our case. Now let us assign a shortcut name to GCC 11. Let us call that new shortcut name simply as GCC. It will make our job simpler for compiling our code later on. To do so, type this command ln space -s space GCC-11 space GCC. Now again you type ls. Now you see a new GCC executable link is created. This is just the shortcut for GCC 11. To check if GCC is properly installed, type the command GCC space -- version. Oh, it's not working. Just close your terminal and reopen it. Again type GCC space -- version, and now we see that the GCC version is displayed properly. GCC installation is done now. So now let us install VS Code IDE in the Mac operating system. Open your Safari web browser. Search for Visual Studio Code in Google. Open the first link, code.visualstudio.com. This is the homepage of VS Code. Now click on the blue button, Download Mac Universal. Click on Allow and download has started now. Open the downloaded set of file. Click on Open. This is the homepage of VS Code. It is successfully installed now. If you want to reopen it, go to Spotlight search, type Visual Studio Code and click on the app to open it. That's all. Now your Mac OS is ready to execute your C code. Congratulations!